First challenge, I would say, when you're a project manager is to ensure that the team understand your role. Especially when you go in a company, they've never had project managers or project management. They see you arriving and they think, oh, there's a new admin guy there, let's ask him or her to do this, to do that. So it's very important to set boundaries at the beginning. But for other companies, they are more mature, they know what project management is. I think it'll be much easier. But still, they're still you are a bit tempted to be the person who does what nobody else can do. So it's very easy to fall into the trap and do a lot of things that you're not supposed to do. So let's discuss the role of the project manager now.
So the role of the project manager, he or she owns the project, responsible for it. Doesn't always have all the authority, but really is responsible to get things over the line. Let's have a look at a few bullet points. So the PM, that's another acronym for project manager or project management. The project manager plans all activities, obviously with other resources, but he has the responsibility to plan. When all this is planned, coordination and prioritization of activities, reporting, communication, telling executives how things are going. Issues, that's a big one during the execution phase, as we'll see. This is the key occupation of a project manager. I mean, you could argue if there were no issues, who would need a project manager? So this is what we do. Ensure timeframes and budget are respected. That's also a big one. As we've seen in the beginning, the story of the Queen, she was having all these activities, burning money. So someone needs to be accountable for it. Ensure sufficient quality has been applied. I mean, this is why I was saying quality is not the most popular of all activities in project management. But in my view, if you deliver something on time and on budget, and it's not good quality, or if it's not something that the business wanted, then it's not better. So implement within constraints. For me, it's a good way to summarize the role of the project manager. There is something to implement. He or she has to implement within all the constraints, which are time frames, budget, and the likes. So here we have a summary of what is project management and the role of the project manager. To conclude, we could draw the similarities between our life and a company's life, if you like. We all have our daily activities to do, and this is why I'm doing life coaching now as well, because the similarities with project management are so obvious. And we all have things that we would like to do, but we never get around to them because we are focusing on our daily lives, and companies are the same, and this is why they bring in project managers, so they can really focus on that, and they have to do it, and they have to do all the coordination and the likes. Otherwise, chances are if it happens, it would happen at a much slower pace. Now, having said that, let's move on to part 1.